Looking for a reliable calculator that fits your child's school needs? The Texas Instruments Scientific Calculator in dark navy blue is designed to make math easier and more approachable. It's battery-powered with a single lithium metal battery, ensuring long-lasting use without frequent replacements. Many parents have shared how this calculator helped their kids feel confident in math. One mom mentioned that her daughter was initially intimidated by Texas Instruments calculators but quickly found this model straightforward and user-friendly. It's a great tool for students tackling pre-algebra and other middle school math courses. The calculator arrives promptly, often earlier than expected, which means no last-minute stress before school starts. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in a backpack or pencil case. The dark navy blue color adds a sleek, professional look that students appreciate. What sets this calculator apart is the included instruction sheet. It breaks down functions clearly, helping students understand how to use the device effectively without confusion. This is especially helpful for 7th graders or anyone new to scientific calculators. Parents have noticed real improvements in their children's math work since using this calculator. It handles a wide range of functions needed for engineering and scientific calculations, making it suitable beyond just middle school. Whether it's for homework or exams, it delivers consistent, accurate results. If you want a dependable calculator that supports your child's learning journey, this Texas Instruments model is worth considering. It combines ease of use with practical features that make math less intimidating and more manageable. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your child's study tools. The Texas Instruments Scientific Calculator offers what you need: durability, clear instructions, and a design that students actually like using. It's a smart investment for any student serious about math. With this calculator in hand, your child will have the right support to tackle schoolwork confidently. It's more than just a calculator, it's a tool that helps build skills and encourages success in math classes. If that's you, this model fits perfectly.